Hello everyone, let's look at today's Leetcode problem 3423, maximum difference between adjacent elements in a circular array. Before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. Time isn't just money, time is life. You can always earn more money, but you can never earn back time. Money can be regained, wasted time vanishes forever. Every minute spent procrastinating is a minute lost from your dreams. If something doesn't align with your goals, it's costing your life energy. Cut the distractions and work in a constructive way to achieve your dreams. So this is an easy problem. Let us quickly look at the problem statement. Given a circular array nums, find the maximum absolute difference between the adjacent elements. Note, in a circular array, the first and the last element are adjacent. So in a circular array, the first and the last adjacent elements needs to be considered. Let's look at this example. So we look for differences between 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, and 4 minus 1, right? So this will be 1, 2, and 3. So our output should be maximum difference, and that's the one we see here. Similarly, in the example 2, if we consider minus 2 minus 10 or plus 10, and we can consider minus 10 plus 5 or minus 5 plus 5. This will be 0, this will be 5. So it will be an absolute difference. Even if the value is negative, we can mark it as. So the 5 is the output that we see here, either from this element or either from this one or this one. Okay, so let us quickly think about how we can approach this solution. So one of the things that we need to do here is, if we consider 1 to 4, we need to iterate over the array and keep track of a maximum difference between adjacent element. Since the array is circular, so we might also want to calculate the next index. Let's say we run a for loop from I0 to n, and we calculate the next index. So we calculate the next index with I plus 1 mod of n, which make sure that we are only within the range of n. N is nothing but the length of the array. So we would be having to make adjacent difference as well. So then we also would keep track of the maximum difference, and we can simply return the value. And another boundary condition to keep check on is, if array of length is less than 2, then we simply return 0. That is, if there is only one element or 0 element, we return 0. So let's quickly solve this problem. Let us go to the Leetcode editor. So we are calculating the current difference and we update the max difference value with this. So and we update the max difference also. Current difference. And we can simply return the max difference. Okay, let's quickly try submitting the solution. As this is getting checked, the time complexity of the solution is okay, so this is nums. Time complexity of the solution is O of n, as we are iterating through n, and space complexity is 1, as we do not have any additional memory storage or any variable memory storage. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.